Okay, I'm really stoked. I just got my BillieBars Tailgate and I'm gonna install it on my 2014 F150 pickup. And as many of you guys know, most trucks are not conducive to working off the tailgate. They've got some sort of corrugated system that you try to set a drink down on, that stuff's gonna spill. Thank God I just finished my beer. I would have lost it. But how many times have you set something up here, you moved around, and all of a sudden it's leaning, shifting, you set tools up here, you can't get the tools to set right. Like, that's ridiculous, right? Really? Super annoying. All right, so the BillieBars Tailgate solves that. I'm gonna go ahead and open this baby up and show you what's inside. I'm pretty stoked. I actually have this customized. Oh, missed one. All right. Installation videos. Oh, that's sharp. Oh, that is sharp. So this is cut. This is it's like an EVA foam that you'll see on a lot of boats and such. This is all cut, double cut with a design. And then they laser engraved my custom design, my logo for my business, fitbody.com, on here. It comes with cup holders so they won't spill. And it's a pretty doggone flat surface. Even with these grooves in it, it's much, much more flat than what I have on my tailgate currently. So, I've already watched the installation video. I'm gonna go ahead and take my tailgate apart, how they show me. Now on mine, on the F150, there's just one panel I need to remove, and that's this right here across this bottom part. So we'll just go ahead and take the torque screws out. Two screws here that don't match the others need to come out. All right, so screws are out, and this panel on my truck just pops off, and you can see it's an access, you can see the locking system. So this part is gone. We are done. This is done. We're out. Cool. Now time to put on the BillieBars. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take this, move it on over to the truck, set it down, and it comes pre-aligned with all of the holes drilled out for your model of vehicle. And we'll move these screws here, get it lined up. Okay, so I've got it lined up. These came raised. I'm assuming that's just for shipping, and I didn't see anything on the instructions, but I'm gonna assume you just, yeah, that's about right. All right, so both cup holders are in. I'm gonna drop the screws in, get it squared away, and I'll show you the finished install. I mean, this is like as easy as it gets. This is so simple. Got the hardware here, and I will be honest with you, I had a couple issues. My truck didn't have standard hardware. Somebody had, I guess, taken the tailgate off. I had an owner before me on this truck. And BillieBars was so cool. They're just like, no, we'll send you a couple different ones. We'll find the one that matches. And they did, which is awesome. And it was like here in a day. Got my hardware. Let's get this thing screwed down. More. All done. I mean, we're talking, this thing's been less than 10 minutes to install. I was kind of hoping for a longer video, but it's just that easy, folks. Oh, look at that. Nothing falls out. Way to go, BillieBars.